Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds. We're back. Today is February 20th, 2026. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Clint. I'm kit and bundle manager.
And this series is where we go through the newsletter that gets released every Friday, go out into that studio and show you guys that fabric in person. So without further ado, let's get started.
Starting off today, we want to talk about a collection called Sew America from Riley Blake. This collection features panels, quilt kits, and assorted yardage. It is a very patriotic collection with patterns such as collages, Navy Scout paper dolls, patriotic text, posts, letters, sewing notes, stripes, and stars. The colors on this one are going to be red, white, blue, yellow, and black. So if you're interested in the history of this country, piece together history with Sew America.
All right, hydrangeas. Wait.
Hydrangea.
Hydrangea.
I
knew this was going to be a problem if I did this one. Next, we have a collection called Hydrangeas in the Garden. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next, we have a collection called Hydrangeas in the Garden from Riley Blake. This is featuring needle minders and charms, fat quarter bundles, and assorted yardage. Some of these prints are pearlized, so they're gonna have a silver shimmer to them. We have patterns of hydrangeas, stripes, scrolls, and plaid in colors of pink, green, blue, and cream. So make sure to add warm garden beauty to your quilts with Hydrangeas in the Garden.
The next one we want to talk about today is going to be Blue Blooms and Threads from Riley Blake. This is a very blue collection featuring table runner kits and assorted yardage. The patterns on this one are going to be florals, threads, stitches, checks, and scissors in very blue colors like blue, navy, denim, and white. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't be blue. Let your creativity blossom with Blue Blooms and Threads.
All right, next we have another patriotic group. This is American Gathering 3 from Moda. This is featuring jelly rolls, charm packs, mini charm packs, fat quarter bundles, and assorted yardage. We've got patterns of star shields, stripes, stars, confetti, florals, and flower sprigs, and cross stitches in colors of red, white, and blue. So make sure to let freedom ring with American Gathering 3.
Next up for today is the Subtle Stuff Low Volume Fat Quarter Bundle. This one is back with a refreshed mix. A few original prints have sold out. This one is still Fort Worth Fabric Studio curated and still limited, so grab yours while it lasts. We got 7 hand-selected fat quarters chosen to shine as background fabrics. They provide gentle contrast and quiet prints. This fat quarter bundle is regularly priced at $25.96. We've got it on sale for $23.88. And at that price, I say let the stars do the talking with the Subtle Stuff Low Volume Fat Quarter Bundle.
Next we have some 10-inch squares on sale. This is the Dragonfly Mist 10-inch squares. These are pretty, playful, and ready to fly. Obviously featuring Dragonfly Mist from Timeless Treasures. It's regularly priced at $48.96, but we've got it on sale for $31.66. Huge sale, so make sure to flutter in before this deal on the Dragonfly Mist 10-inch squares flies away.
As always, you know what time it is. We like to mention our 1-yard cuts. These 1-yard cuts run at $9.96 each. We are adding new prints all the time, so even if you checked recently, definitely check again. You'll see something new on there. They are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to go. The multiples won't be continuous. If you order 2 1-yard prints, you are going to receive 2 separate 1-yard cut pieces. So if that's something you've been looking for, buzz on over to our website and check out our 1-yard cuts.
All right, and next we've got our segment Comment of the Week, and today it's Comments of the Week because we're reading 2. This is a segment where we pull a comment from last week to read on this week, and like I just said, we have 2 comments to read today. The first is from Barbara H2281 who says, "Happy Valentine's Day. First time I have seen Jamie and Clayton in a video." By the way, if you haven't seen last week's episode, make sure to go watch it. We had a new person, Jamie. She's never been on the videos before, but she joined for the first time, and I think she did a great job. And she was with her husband, Clayton, so really cool. You are so sweet together. My favorite thing is when you mess up and just redo it and go on. It's how things happen in real life. Yes, it is. The Americana fabric is very nice, and I will be checking out the Tilda Fat Quarter Bundles. Well, Barbara, thank you, as always, for leaving a comment and always checking out our videos. We love to see whenever you leave comments. and we love to read them. And I totally agree with you about Jamie and Clayton. They're very sweet, and it was a very good episode, I thought. Very, themed for Valentine's Day. If your favorite thing is when we mess up and just redo it, I hope you enjoyed the earlier segment with that dang flower collection. What is it called again?
Hydrangeas.
Hydrangeas. I can barely say that. So yeah, I also agree about the Americana fabric and the Tilda fat quarter bundles. I think they're, as a non-quilter, I think they're very cool.
The next comment we want to highlight today is going to be from Terry McCluskey, 1979, who says, "Happy Valentine's Days. Love the couple's fun banter in the video. Great sales and products. I'm new to you, so I'll be checking out the website and your future videos. Thanks." Well, we just want to say thank you. Everybody's new at some point, so come on in, join the party. Always a fun time down here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. We love making these videos, and it's always great to see a fresh new viewer to them. We hope you and everyone else had a happy Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating with a significant other or just showing yourself a little self-love and getting a good meal. We hope not to disappoint in any future videos.
And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. You might be picked for comment of the week. There's a very good chance you'll be picked, actually. And also make sure to follow us on social media. Links are down in the description. We are releasing a social media reel vertical video almost every single day. It's extra content for you, so make sure to go check those out. And with all that being said, we'll see you next time for another episode. Thanks for watching.
And ring the bell. Because that's what he meant to say.
What did I say?
You said leave a like, subscribe, and comment so you can get notified for future videos. And also leave a comment.
Gosh darn it, I messed that up last week too. What is wrong with me?
I don't know.
What is wrong?
I didn't want to cut you off halfway through it.